What are the most ideal methods for consuming curry leaves? Curry leaves, known scientifically as Murraya koenigii, are a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. These aromatic leaves not only add flavor to dishes but also offer numerous health benefits. According to recent studies, curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, B, C, and D, and minerals like calcium and iron. They have been traditionally used to treat various ailments, including diabetes, dysentery, and skin disorders. With their increasing popularity, understanding the best ways to consume curry leaves is essential to maximize their health benefits. The most ideal methods for consuming curry leaves. 1. Fresh curry leaves. Consuming fresh curry leaves is one of the most effective ways to reap their full benefits. The leaves can be eaten raw or added to dishes as a garnish. Eating fresh curry leaves in the morning on an empty stomach can aid in digestion and detoxification. Raw consumption: chew 8 to 10 fresh curry leaves every morning to promote digestive health and detoxify the body. Garnish: add fresh curry leaves to salads, soups, and stews to enhance flavor and nutritional value. 2. Curry leaf juice. Curry leaf juice is another excellent way to consume these nutritious leaves. This method is particularly beneficial for those who may not enjoy chewing raw leaves. Preparation: blend a handful of fresh curry leaves with water and strain the mixture. Add a few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of salt for taste. Consumption: drink this juice on an empty stomach in the morning to boost metabolism, aid in weight loss, and improve overall health. 3. Curry leaf powder. Curry leaf powder is a convenient option for incorporating the benefits of curry leaves into your diet. The powder can be made by drying the leaves and grinding them into a fine powder. Preparation: wash and dry curry leaves thoroughly. Once completely dry, grind them into a fine powder and store in an airtight container. Usage: add a teaspoon of curry leaf powder to your dishes, smoothies, or teas to enhance flavor and nutritional content. 4. Curry leaf tea. Curry leaf tea is a soothing and healthful beverage that can be easily prepared at home. Preparation: boil a cup of water and add 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the leaves and add honey or lemon for flavor. Consumption: drink this tea in the morning or evening to aid digestion, reduce oxidative stress, and promote overall well-being. 5. Curry leaf paste. Curry leaf paste is another versatile way to enjoy the benefits of these leaves. This paste can be used as a condiment or added to various dishes. Preparation: grind fresh curry leaves with a little water to form a smooth paste. You can also add other ingredients like ginger, garlic, and green chilies for additional flavor. Usage: use the paste as a spread, dip, or add it to curries and marinades to enhance flavor and health benefits. Cooking with curry leaves. Incorporating curry leaves into your cooking is a traditional and effective method of consumption. The leaves can be sautéed, fried, or added directly to dishes. Sautéing: sauté curry leaves in oil or ghee along with mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and other spices. Add this tempering to your curries, dals, and rice dishes for added flavor and health benefits. Frying: fry curry leaves until crisp and use them as a topping for various dishes like upma, poha, and snacks. Curry leaves are a source of nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. Consuming them in various forms, fresh, as juice, powder, tea, paste, or in cooking, can help you incorporate their goodness into your daily diet. Each method of consumption has its unique advantages, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you eat them raw, drink them as juice or tea, or use them in your cooking, curry leaves can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel to stay informed about similar content.